Fire English by Diệu An. Today, we're going to fix emotional English mistakes that Vietnamese learners make all the time. These are simple feelings we use every day, but many people still say them wrong. Let's make your English natural, confident, and emotional. Let's begin. Many learners say, "I'm very boring." But boring means you make others feel bored. If you feel bored, say, "I'm bored." Another common mistake is, "I very miss you." We cannot use very before a verb, and miss is a verb, so the correct way is, "I miss you so much. I really miss you." Or "I miss you a lot." Many people also say, "I very love you." But love is already a strong verb. Say, "I really love you." Some learners say, "I very like you." This is also wrong for the same reason. The natural way is, "I really like you." Another mistake, "I very scared." Scared is an adjective, so it needs am. Say, "I'm very scared." People also say, "I very sad," but you must add the linking verb. Say, "I'm very sad," or simply, "I'm so sad." Here's another one. "I very angry." The correct way is, "I'm very angry." Now let's talk about feelings about others. Many learners say, "He very handsome," but adjectives always need a linking verb. Say, "He's very handsome." Another example, "She very beautiful." The correct form is, "She's very beautiful." People also say, "They very cute," but the correct way is, "They are very cute." Next, let's fix everyday emotional expressions. Some people say, "I very tired," but the correct way is, "I'm very tired." Another one, "I very sleepy." Say, "I'm very sleepy." We often hear, "We very happy," but you must say, "We're very happy." Some learners say, "I very worried." Say, "I'm very worried." Here's another one. "She very excited." The correct way is, "She's very excited." Now let's move to more advanced emotional expressions. Some people say, "I very stress," but stress is a noun. The correct form is, "I'm stressed," or "I'm under stress." Another one, "I very confuse." Say, "I'm confused." Some people say, "I very disappoint." The correct way is, "I'm disappointed." Others say, "I very shock." Say, "I'm shocked." And here's another one. "I very hurt." The natural English expressions are, "I'm hurt," or "I feel hurt." Great job! Now your emotional English sounds natural, confident, and expressive. If you enjoyed this lesson, follow Fire English by Diệu An for more simple and powerful English every day. Light up your English.